So this is the third of 3 videos on solid editing. We've looked at faces, we've looked at edges, and now this third set of commands down the bottom here. If I can pull that down, the two that I want to do are separate and shell. So first of all we'll do shell. Select a solid, press the enter key, enter the shell offset distance. So I'm going to put in 10 millimeters, and what this will do is hollow out the inside. Now you can't really see what's happened until we slice the thing in half. So we'll just take a slice through the thing. Let's try that again. I think that I fell into the trap that is very common. It says down here 3 points, so you have to press enter for it to actually do 3 points, otherwise it does it as a plane. So 3 points once again, and we'll keep both sides. When I select it, it's now two sides. I'll use the gizmo to move that aside, and we'll see that it actually has hollowed out the inside, hence the name shell. So if you're looking to produce an object with no material in the middle, that's how you can do that. Okay, one more in this section, and separate. What I'll do is just cut this thing in half by creating a box. So I'll see if we can pick up a point here. And we'll actually subtract that box from the original object. So we've actually split that thing in two, but if we select it, you see that it is actually one object. So the separate command simply, I could have actually done it, well, can do it on that bit as well. The separate command actually makes them separate objects. So we'll go separate, select the object, and now they are all individual objects. I think it should have made this as a separate object as well. So that becomes important if you want to actually delete a part that has been trimmed off by two intersecting solids.